You? What are you doing?
Making chocolate pudding.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Why on earth are you making chocolate pudding?
Because I've lost control of my life.
So off camera, I primed my face, and I'm gonna prime my eyes and conceal my eye bags with some concealer and blend it out with a beauty blender. Before anyone criticizes me for keeping these 2 spaces on my jaws free of foundation, that's because I'm going to apply facelifting tape later. So I like to keep these 2 areas on the sides of my face free of foundation. Starting with the eyeshadow, you'll want to start out with a tan colored eyeshadow and only apply it and blend it into your crease. You do not want it in your eyelids. There's some eyelid tape to avoid that, but I don't have any, so it's just really careful applying the eyeshadow. Next, you're going to take a black eyeshadow and apply it and blend it into your outer corner and blend it to the point it has a gray color. When you're a cosplayer, coloring eyebrows are crucial, especially when you want the color to match your wig. So I took a very dark green eyeshadow and applied it to my eyebrows. Obviously, as you can see. Sue has very round eyes, so for this makeup look, I'm doing no wing, but drawing down to my bottom eye, because again, I want to match her eye shape, which you'll see in a couple seconds. This part is kind of optional, but to make Sue's mouth, I put some foundation on my lips. Then took some black eyeshadow on an angled brush, and kind of think of this part as making a Joker smile, but it's a very straight line across your mouth. I decided to add this part because if you're someone like me who hates having a double chin, you'll want to apply some clear medical tape, lift your skin up with the tape, repeat the process, and tightly put it on top of your 2 wig caps on the other side. So I got these eyelashes from Amazon, and I'm going to use these very thick eyelashes. This last part, I wanted to give my Tsuyu look some pink cheeks by putting red lipstick and blending it out with a beauty blender, but my camera stopped recording. So here is the result of my Tsuyu makeup. I hope you enjoyed.